Today, Strong Jam is introducing a new product, a retrofit plate that is patent pending. Got 3 holes to put long screws back into the rough framing. And in this case, it's a masonry opening, so we'll put some concrete screws.
Makes any door a security door.
Okay, it's time to attach the jig. And again, this door has probably been in for about 15 years, give or take. So it's just a standard old door, just like yours. It could be new or old. It doesn't matter, it's a retrofit. That's what you get right after you route it, and the plate fits right down inside. After we get that attached, the strike plate sits right in there, and you have adjustment in and out. Okay, go ahead and drill for the Tapcons. Here's a new piece of weather stripping. One of the reasons why we're doing all the different colors is to make it easier to see the different components. Like this will eventually get black, but you can see how it all goes back together. There you go. This is an old door, which really still needs changed. And it will get changed, but we wanted to show you a true retrofit where it can be a new door, it can be an old door. It's going to be the strongest to take this casing off, add shims behind here. You can also do it just like we did it here. Leave the casing on, leave the door in, and we can even fix a jam, which we will show later on one of our break-in videos here in a couple weeks. We're going to kick a door in and then see if we can fix it with a couple of these plates, just to make an old broken door strong and usable again. Okay, there's the installation. Works just like new. But this whole installation, you can do it in less than 30 minutes, which makes it very easy retrofit for your door, new or old.